Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hide like counts on your Instagram post during posting. So you can see this is Instagram app, so you need to tap on your Instagram application, and after that you have to tap the plus icon. You can see the bottom part of your screen. Simply tap here and then choose the picture, which picture you're going to upload. So I'm just going to choose this one, and after that tap the next button. So once you and again tap the next button. So then scroll down, then here you'll see the option advanced settings. Simply tap on that, and you can see like hide like and view counts on this post. So if you tap here, then it's now turn on, and after that no one able to like count. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.